Hey, Psych Kids. Today, what we're going to be doing, of course, this week is a little bit for introductions and who you are and understanding who you are. And for me to get to know you a little bit, I know I might have had you before, but still, it's good to know a little bit more about you. I'm sure I don't know everything about you, so there's a little activity that we're going to be doing. But for this activity, I'm going to just talk a little bit about some psychology, just what is it, so that way you have an idea of what is psychology and what you're getting yourself into. And then also I got a little task that I want you to do, so I want you to watch this whole thing with me. I'll go through it real fast here, and then I want you to do the task at the end, which I will make in my thing. So what I'm going to be doing is I will just kind of go through it with you, and then I will have the task up for you. Okay, so first off, psychology. Oop, I got the wrong date there. I need to change that, but it will be changed for my other classes, so sorry. But what I need to do, the first thing we're going to talk about is know thyself. So if you know who that person is over on the right-hand side of that, that's Socrates, okay? And he was one of the first known psychologists that studied psychology in general. So what he came up with was this idea of he came up with what psychology is, the scientific study of human behavioral and mental processes. So pretty much studying why do people behave a certain way, why do they have certain personalities or disorders that come with that, why, how do we develop into the people we are today? Everyone develops differently, everyone has different personalities, and everyone has different behavior. So scientific psychology is the study of those behaviors, and then also goes with the cognitive part of it too. So the mental processes, our thoughts, our dreams, our perceptions, our memories, all that is going to be part of the psychology that we're going to talk about. All right, so but Socrates, his first idea was more about like, hey, if we're going to look at other people's mental processes and look at their behavior and analyzing it, well, we have to know ours first. So he actually came up with what was called introspective. So if you can see that right there, introspective. And it was pretty much just like look within. Before you can study others, you got to know who the heck you are, right? So he came up with that and just examine who you are, the things that you do, the person you are, if that means, like, for example, for me, things that if I had to come up with who I am a teacher, I am a dad, I am anxious in certain moments, I have high anxiety when it comes to speaking in front of adults. I mean, those are things that makes my personality, makes me who I am. Okay, so for me to understand other people, I should understand who I am first. Okay, so those are just some examples that I had for you, but I'll put more examples in there for you in that task that I'm going to have you do. So my task for you right now, before you do anything else, because there's another task, you have to do this task to do the next one on It's Learning. So what I want you to do is I want you to come up with right here, it says I am statements. Okay, so I'm going to make a task for you where you have to come up with 20 I am statements. So I am, it can be things that you like. I am a lover of dogs, right? I am a caring human being who care about other people before myself. Things like that, okay? So it can be things that you like. I am a lover of anything that's put on a pizza. Doesn't matter, I love it, okay? I am a TV movie person. Anything like that kind of explains who you are. And it's a good way for me to understand you and you to understand yourself a little bit. So, and it can also be like fears. I am deathly afraid of bees. Like, this is the truth. I'm afraid of bees and wasps. So, it could be fears, it could be who you are. I'm a dad, I'm a husband, I'm a brother. I mean, those are kind of elementary, simple ones. I want you to kind of think a little bit, of course, with that. So your task is to do 20 I am statements, and I will put that in the taskbar for you. Okay? See ya.